So in this video, we'll look at one of the most easiest and most common Linux privilege escalation technique. We'll use sudo -l command to abuse a misconfiguration in Linux system and gain root access. So in this box, as you can see, I am a normal user, Karen. I am a Karen now, which is a normal user. So let's check using sudo -l command. Here in this box you can see I can run 3 binaries, which is find, less and nano using sudo -l. Basically using this command we look for binaries that we can run as a super user without being a super user or root user. Here you can see we can run find, less or nano as a sudo user, but we does not need any password for that. So there is a technique we can use that to exploit this misconfiguration and get root access. So we can find exploit for find, less and nano in a website called GTFOBins. This is the website. I will give the link in the video description. So we can look for Linux binary exploit here to exploit Linux system. Let's check the first binary. Is there any sudo exploit available or not? So GTFObins says there are a technique available for this misconfiguration. As we know, we have sudo privilege in find binary. So this is the exploit. It says just copy, and if you can successfully run this command as a sudo privilege, we can get root access. Just copy and paste the command here, and you can see this is the hash, and it means I am a root now. Who am I? Root. So using this GTFObins exploit, we can easily exploit some common binaries on Linux system and get root access. Now let's look at the next one, which is less binary. So as you can see, I'm back as the normal user, Karen again. So this is the next binary, which is less. Let's check for exploit for less binary. As you can see, there are also exploit available for less binary. We know we have a sudo privilege. This is the exploit. Let's run one by one. First, just simply copy and paste the code here. Now copy the next command. As you can see, here is the hash sign. It means I am a root again. Root. So using this technique, we can easily escalate our privileges from normal user to root user. Now let's exploit the third binary as well. So I'm back as Karen again, normal user obviously. So last binary was nano. Let's exploit that one. They are also exploitable in GTFObins sudo. So this is the exploit. We need to copy and paste one by one. First, let's copy the first command. So now for second command, it says Ctrl R and Ctrl X. We need to type it using keyboard. First Ctrl R, then Ctrl X. Now we need to paste the third command here. Let's paste that. Press enter couple of times. As you can see, hash sign on left, it means I'm root again. Root. So this is the simplest and easiest way to escalate our privileges for Linux box. So on the upcoming video I will explain how we can use SUID binary. For now, thank you. Goodbye.